If you find that your sending privileges on Yahoo Mail have been restricted, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Ensure that you are using the correct credentials to access your inbox. Step 2. Check for account security alerts. Once logged in, look for any security alerts or notifications in your inbox or account settings. Yahoo may have restricted your sending privileges due to suspicious activity or security concerns. Step 3. Update your account information. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Change your password. To improve security and potentially restore your sending privileges, change your Yahoo Mail password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 5. Contact Yahoo support. If your sending privileges are still restricted after following the previous steps, reach out to Yahoo support. Provide them with details about your account and the issue you are facing for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Yahoo Mail. If issues persist, continue to monitor your account and seek help from Yahoo support as needed.